viewers, I'm Shane from Heatshield Products, and today we're going to install some of our exhaust wrap, our Heatshield Products lava wrap, and we also have some of our Heatshield Products header armor.
I'm Cole from HRT Motorsports, Brand Arthur Racing. We're going to install some of the Heatshield Products lava tube and the lava starter shield.
Okay, so I got my measurements on this Heatshield Products header armor. Now I'm going to make some cuts. I'm just going to use a straight edge and a utility knife. Okay, now we're ready for our test fit. Okay, so I have my piece. I'm going to test fit it, see if I need to make any more cuts. Okay, so we did our test fit. Now I'm going to cut a little bit more off. Okay, so now I'm going to remove about a half inch of insulation from the Heatshield armor. I do that so I can fold the embossed aluminum over and give a nice finished look. I usually use a utility blade and I go nice and soft so I don't cut too deep into the aluminum. Where I fold these over. Okay, so for this step we're going to install our HP power anchors. They're a great way to be able to take your Armor Series products on and off if you need to do any repairs or any cleaning or anything like that. So you do need a rivet gun. I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we're going to load one of our rivets into the gun. I'm going to get a fastener and push it down on there. And I'm going to come over to armor. We'll get our hook on there. Okay, now I'm going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more times. Okay, so I've got the power anchors installed, and now we're going to wire it up. Okay, so we're all done with our header armor. We're ready to install it, but we're going to first install our lava tube on these water lines that go below the header. It'll just be a little easier to do that first and then do the header armor second on there. We're going to install the lava tube right on these water lines that go right here below the header. There's an existing heat shield on there, so we're going to remove that before we install our lava tube. Okay, so we cut our lava tube to fit. It's a little bit too long. We're going to shield these water lines. We've discovered that we needed a little bit more diameter, so we're going to attach 2 of them together to get a little bigger piece to get around them. Okay, so we have our lava tube all installed, and now we're going to move on to our header armor. We've got our power anchors, so we have Cole down below. He's going to help me wire it on. Okay, for these last few parts, I've got an extra little piece for the header. I'm going to put some power anchors on there. I'm going to get Cole to wire it up. And then for a little bit after that, we have Cole installing the lava wrap. And then we'll be all set on the driver's side. So the last part we're going to install on this is our lava starter shield. We're just going to put on the starter down there.
That's it, we're all wrapped up here at HRT Motorsports. Shane from Heatshield Products got our Pro 2 all dialed in for next week's race with some heat shield, exhaust wrap, and starter shield. All dialed in. Shane, any final words?
If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe.